Hey everybody, welcome to Moriah's Moves. Today our mini Bible study verse comes from Psalm 65:4, and it goes like this. Blessed are those you choose and bring near to live in your courts. We are filled with the good things of your house, of your holy temple. So from the very beginning, God had a plan in mind for each and every single one of us. Now with us, it's like you have a mission if you choose to accept it. So you could either draw near to God or you can pull away from Him. When we follow Him, then we are filled with the good things like the Holy Spirit and God's love. So the questions you have to ask yourselves are, do I want the good things in my life? Do I want the good God in my life? Once we do that, there's no going back, and it is the best decision that you will ever make for yourself.
I've been empty. When I'm low, you fill the cup. Yeah, but my ego fights back, telling me that I'm ready to grab the wheel and take control. But I'll crash if I don't let myself let go. You put the X on my faded map. Draw me a line back to where you're at. Patient when I try to move too fast. I get this feeling in my spirit when I'm low. I hear it calling like a compass in my soul, saying, child, come on back now. You've been gone too long. Let me lead you back where you belong. Right next to me. Right next to me.